Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using QuickBooks Online to manage your business, today's video is a must-watch. I'm going to show you exactly how to receive payments in QuickBooks Online step by step using the latest interface. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just want to make sure your books stay accurate, this guide will make it effortless. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the QuickBooks website. On the top right corner, click Sign In. Use your registered email and password to log in. Once you're in, you'll land on your QuickBooks dashboard, which is your main control center for all your business finances. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click Sales. From there, select Invoices. Here you'll see a complete list of all your invoices, both paid and unpaid. This is where you can easily identify which customers have recently sent payments or still owe you money. Now, when you find the invoice for the customer who's made a payment, simply click Receive Payment next to it. Enter the exact amount they paid. Whether it's the full balance or a partial payment, make sure the numbers match what was actually received. Accuracy here keeps your financial records crystal clear. Then, choose the payment method. QuickBooks gives you several options like cash, check, credit card, or bank transfer. So select whichever matches how the customer paid you. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Send. This does two important things at once. It records the payment in your books and automatically sends a professional payment receipt to your customer. QuickBooks confirms the transaction instantly, so you'll know it's all set and accounted for. And that's it. You've just learned how to receive payments in QuickBooks Online like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future QuickBooks and business finance guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.